Introducing from G Sharp Tools, the SharpEdge, the easy way to sharpen square-edged tools. In your kit you will find the SharpEdge tool, the unique backing off tool, the instruction guide, and 4 diamond hones, 200 grit, 400 grit, 800 grit, and 1500 extra fine grit. The blade spacer is under the base unit and fits in any of the slots to center smaller blades. It can be used either way round. Holes are used for fixing it down if required. Slacken the black knob to adjust the angle of the hone holder. Common angles are marked. If necessary, lubricate with a light oil. Choose a diamond hone and place it in the hone holder where it is held in place by magnets. Adjust the angle to suit the blade to be sharpened. Lock the chosen angle by tightening the black knob. Sharpen narrow blades in the center of the tool and against the blade spacer, or the diamond will slide off the blade and jam against the edge of the tool. A few strokes will be enough to return the sharp edge to your dull blade. Use the extra fine grit in the backing off tool to remove any burr. Chisels as small as 3 mm are easy to sharpen. For wider blades, like a plain blade, remove the blade spacer. You can use either shoulder of the tool to rest the blade against. To re-hone the edge should only take a few passes. The SharpEdge will sharpen blades up to 85 mm wide. The backing off tool is the same height as the base and can support long or heavy tools, making them easy to sharpen. Awkward blades, like a machine plane blade, can be sharpened with relative ease. Keep them square to the diamond hone. Even spoke-shave blades can be sharpened with ease. The diamond hones can be kept in good condition with a good quality pencil eraser.